Hi
Hey
guys.
guys, today we're gonna open a controller.
We had a Roku for a very long time, and we replaced it with a Fire Stick, Amazon Fire Stick TV. So this one is obsolete already. It was very slow. And we're gonna start disassembling it to see what's inside. Let's see.
The only thing I want to see though is the lights.
You wanna see the lights? I'm not so sure there's gonna be some lights here. See? Let's put the batteries there. Remember, dispose of the batteries in the right way. See? The Roku. So now let's see how we can open this up.
Do not open things, but you have to take out the batteries first.
Yes, first always the batteries. And I don't see any screws here. I have no idea how to open this up. Let's start by
Ripping this apart.
I'm gonna rip it apart because, see, you gotta be careful.
Don't break it.
I don't see any screw here. I think this is probably all with some sort of adhesive. There you go. Oh yeah, it's coming out. It's coming out.
That's punching my faces.
I'm gonna, okay. It's a little difficult.
I don't.
I think this whole face, the face, is like a color. It's gonna come off. So let's try it this
It's like
way.
a car. Car. But not as hard as this.
Well, this one is pretty difficult and hard. Let's see. It's really difficult. It's not that easy.
The kids should do a little thing.
Let's try it here. I really don't know how to take it off. Let me try the buttons here. No?
Only if we had a parrot, it would have been able to probably take that off.
Really difficult.
Because I've seen a parrot take off the computer.
A parrot, yes, a parrot would break it all completely with a beak. They have a very strong beak.
They have a thingy on them.
Uh-huh. See? Oh, it's gonna come off.
Come off.
Ooh, 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 careful. I pinched myself. This is really difficult, guys. It's not that easy.
Who's just gonna watch us just do this?
Yeah, better not do this at home because it's not that simple.
Get a controller that screws.
Get, get a controller with screws. Let me get a piece of paper because let me get a piece of paper here. This envelope.
Thingy.
Let's put this here so you can see better. Okay.
I mean, we're gonna
Apply
be
some force here.
I said open up cafes.
Really difficult.
It's about to be open.
Yeah, more or less.
I mean, it's open.
Very strong.
Open up, or I'm gonna cut your face.
Wow.
Ew.
I can't do it.
We should like crack it on the floor or something. Or just-
No, I'm not gonna break it like that. We wanna open it to see what's inside, not to break it and destroy it. Well, it's gonna get destroyed anyway. But
But we don't really use this anymore.
I don't wanna smash it because it opens on this side.
Open up, or else I'm gonna cut your face. Ew. Ew.
It's coming. But it's not that easy. See?
Yes.
There you go. The face, like I said, the face is opening like that.
Yes.
It's
No,
very strong.
I see the green thing again.
There you go.
The
There you
green
go.
thing.
It's coming.
My belly's getting weird. My belly's like
You feel something in your belly?
No, my belly's like
You're getting nervous. Yes. You're getting nervous. She's been asking me to do this for a very long time, and I didn't want to do it.
He was
So,
so
yeah, I was a sleepyhead. I didn't want to do this. This is not that easy.
This is poopy.
Well, I got the top off.
I mean, you can see the green thing that you
You
have.
can see the circuit inside. See? The electronics.
I see the buttons. I see the buttons are coming out. Yay. You can undo it. The Amazon thing is there.
It's really strong.
Whole controller.
The entire control. It's really
Even if you dropped it from a a 20 million building is not even gonna break.
Probably not. Maybe yes, maybe no.
Well, maybe it's gonna break. I don't know. I don't even know if a building like that exists. Because it will probably be up to space. And it's not even gonna be able to break.
This is, man, it's really difficult. I think I'm gonna have to start somewhere else.
There's a button of anything.
It's a button, but it doesn't do anything. This part down here is stuck, as you can see. See, this is really loose, but this other part down here, and I don't see anything that I can use.
I'll try to break that button.
I guess it's something inside. I don't see screws. I don't see anything. I wonder, really interesting. I wonder how this will be done. And you will be amazed how easy it will be to open this up if you know how to do it, but I don't know how to do it. I'm just, learning as I go. There you go.
I'm scared.
So of course you're scared. Okay.
It just like stabbed through the other side.
It's really, really tight.
And it stabbed through the other side.
Let me take this off. I'm gonna take the springs.
Because I think the springs are the ones causing this. Huh?
Maybe the springs are holding.
I don't want that sling in my face.
I'm gonna have to get some other tools here. I'm gonna get some other tools. Okay, give me just a second. Some pliers.
Hello, I'm Rubber Band. I am Rubber Band. I am Rubber Band.
Here.
That's probably gonna be easier, but it's gonna
Let's see.
it's gonna be harder to probably.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, that's probably the one holding it.
Probably.
Because how is it that long?
Wow, it's very long.
Punch yourself. I don't want that sling in my face.
Yeah.
My booty faces.
Woo! See, you gotta be careful with this.
Remember to wear things. But we don't have one. We should have.
Okay, let me take this other one.
We should have bought safety glasses.
We should have, yes.
But in the other one, we didn't get anything. I remember that
The last one that we did was what was it? A frog? A turtle? Was it
the turtle and the dog. When I touched the wires and I was like, I like this color of wire, and then you were like, zzz. And I was like, stop doing that, mommy. Stop doing the zzz thing. Blah blah blah. I don't know that.
I do remember. So now let's take this other. Now almost all.
Imagine that doesn't even have one wire in it. That would have been kind of funny.
Well, it needs wires to conduct the electricity. See?
The batteries last
Okay.
until.
There is one screw. I found a screw. Wow, look. Can you see there? Tiny screw.
Ah!
You see here?
Wait.
I'm going to point it with this.
No, wait.
You see the screw? Right there. There is a screw.
Oh, no!
So we are going to try. Let me see. We're going to try
That's
very
tiny. It's like this small.
Yes, super tiny. Let's see if this one fits in here. Yes, it does.
Yay, yay.
Woo!
The smallest screw I've ever seen. We should.
Dude, look at this. Tiny. Teeny tiny screw. Baby screw. That's a baby screw.
So tiny.
Here. That's a tiny screw.
So
Okay.
tiny. Oh, so
All right.
tiny.
Let's continue.
What's
Now,
up with the
okay, I only see one screw there. So what was holding that was a screw, not
thing?
spring. The spring. So
That was the screw that we have.
let's try
so
now.
tiny.
Let's see now. Okay,
Yes, it's easier. Yay.
let's try it again.
I don't know. There's something in my nail. I don't know what it is, but it's weird.
All right,
I don't know what that was about. It's gonna take the
something else down here.
That is a screw in it.
There you go. I think it's coming out almost. Now,
I
for
mean-
the next video that we do this kind of thing, we need protection gloves and protection
Thing.
goggles. So.
And protection mouth thing. I don't know.
Something came out.
I don't even know what that is.
All right. Well, there you go. Okay. Well, these are the contacts for the buttons. As you can see, this are the buttons that you press. When you press the button, see, it comes, it pushes like
Are
this.
you kidding me? There's not even one single wire.
No, there are no wires. So these are the buttons. These are making the contacts, you see?
Where's the light?
And what light?
Where's the light?
I don't see any light. There was a little thing somewhere.
Oh, I like this.
There was a little thing
ooh,
here.
Ooh, I actually kind of like this.
I can see, well, yeah, there's supposed to be a little light here, but there isn't. So
Oh, Daddy, I kind of like this as a squishy toy.
Oh, well, let me see.
It's like, wait, okay.
It's dropping stuff. What is it dropping?
These are just buttons.
Oh, the buttons. It's releasing the buttons.
Oh, this is kind of funny.
So,
buttons.
See, these are the circuits. There are no wires here.
There's no lights in there.
You know, there are maybe some wires or something embedded in this, but not the wires like this that you see with rubber on the outside.
I like this. Yay! I got squishy toys.
This is squishy. See, look
no,
at this.
Robingo thingy.
Look at this. So look at this. It's so squishies. Now all these buttons that you see here.
I found an Amazon thing.
Found it.
It's dropping dirty in this. Yeah.
All right, there you go. This is it, and this is the circuit. Let me eliminate. Let me take
This
this
is the
off.
voice of something.
Let me take this off. Look.
What is that button though? I don't even know what the button
Okay.
is.
Careful with your face.
Come back.
This is a button for, I don't remember what this.
Is this a light? Did you just find a light?
Let me see.
Wait.
I don't know.
Wait. No, wait. No, where's the button? Wait, did it? Did it actually?
This is welded here. It's really tough. There you go.
Did I actually find a light?
So there is a little button here. I don't know if you can see a button here. See, I don't know what it did in the past. I don't know what it was. If it was on the top or on the bottom. So you have the casing. This
It's the light.
used to come right here.
That is the
Maybe
light.
you can use this as a boat. Row, row, row your boat.
I found the light. I just found the light.
That's a light. Let me see.
It's the light.
Wow, look at that. Super tiny light. Like this. Let's hold it like this so they can see it. This is a little light.
This is
Daphne
crazy.
found.
The light.
Say that's a light.
Ew.
Super tiny.
Yeah, there's a piece of
Super tiny. And see? Boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down. You see?
We have to clean this
You
out.
remember that song?
We have to clean this out though.
Okay. Do you remember that song?
Yeah.
Row, row, row your boat?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
I
Can
don't
you
know.
sing?
This is just
Can you sing the song?
Jump away down the street if you wanna go.
So if you put the casing back together like this, you have a boat.
No, wait, no, let me show you. No, now it's like a toy controller.
Uh-oh.
You just stuck it.
Yeah, okay. I'll open it up for you.
That's something wrong.
Right?
Ew. It's dirty.
Dirty hands. Don't put them in your face.
I know. Not now. You can just put the world back. What?
Okay,
Let's
this
put
one.
it-
All right, let me
put it
see.
upside down. No. Okay, world. Whatever.
All right, let me see. This one comes here,
And then okay, random.
and then
Is it
this,
Okay here. Okay there.
and this one comes. Okay. Ooh.
Okay, just wants to hug you. Ew. Well, I'm gonna have a new toy. Yay. Free toys if you cut things open. You have to cut and wash them.
There you go. The OK is upside down, sideways or whatever. They're not gonna hold. Why don't you put them here? You're not gonna hold. And they come here.
Rubber band world. I don't like this world. Ew, that was disgusting. I hope an ostrich is in
Oh, maybe this is like this. Yeah, so there it goes. And then you put this here. There you go. Do you notice anything that's out of place there? Huh? Do you notice anything that's out of place? It's not the way it's supposed to be? Huh? Look at here.
The thing.
What thing?
The light. You can see that.
No, something else. That is not right. Find the fault in the video. Find what's wrong here and put it in the comments. And let's see who's gonna be the first one putting in the comments what's wrong here in this controller.
Okay.
No, don't say it. Come on. It's a game. They have to play the game.
They already know.
Yeah, no, they don't know. Maybe they don't realize, okay? So, all right. She already said it, but if you didn't hear it, put it in the comments. Let's see who's gonna be the first one. All right, bye guys. This is the end of the video. Now it's time for us to pick up the mess and clean up.
Bye.
And wash our hands.
And wash
bye.
us.
Bye bye. Subscribe.
Subscribe and like. Bye.